the Gary Lafferty. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the intro and a possible ending if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock. And then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn, moving on up. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right forward diagonal traveling lock step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. You're going to lock your left foot in and behind your right. You're going to step your right foot forward and place your left heel forward. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and place your right heel forward. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left, and we're going to do a left forward diagonal traveling lock step. So you're going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. You're going to lock your right foot in and behind your left. You're going to step your left foot forward and place your right heel forward and hold. And if you would like to do a double clap, you can. I can tell you the double clap does make it a little more fun. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your diagonal lock step. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Or just 8 if you don't want to clap. Section 2, we're going to quickly step our right next to our left. You're going to cross rock your left over your right and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do a shuffle to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. We're going to do a quarter turning jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you step back with your left foot, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right, and you'll be facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Our right heel is forward. You're going to do your ball cross rock recover. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a syncopated weave. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. Quickly step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. We're going to do a quarter turning sailor step. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. In styling, you can kind of strut those out. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our jazz box cross. You're going to step to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a 3/4 turning triple. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right next to your left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. You want to make sure that your final step is a forward step when you are coming out of this triple, so that your body will keep going into that forward diagonal. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rocking coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your diagonal step, lock, step. So it's step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, heel, ball, cross, rock, recover, your side shuffle, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, 3/4 triple. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your lock step. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the intro. The intro is going to be at the very start of the dance before you start wall 1, and it's during the snap section. So you're going to wait 16 counts because the full intro to the dance is 32 counts. We're gonna wait 16. Now it's gonna start snapping. You're gonna hear one snap, and then you're gonna go into your intro. So what we're gonna end up doing for these 16 counts before the dance starts is we're gonna make an X on the floor doing step touches with snaps. So every time we step forward, you're gonna step into a corner, and then every time we make that quarter turn, you're gonna step back to the spot that we had started at, just a quarter turn to the left. So we're gonna start by stepping our right foot forward into the right diagonal, or 130, touch your left next to your right, and snap your fingers. You're now gonna make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 1030, touch your right next to your left, and snap your fingers. We're now gonna repeat that, stepping our right foot forward into the 1030 diagonal, touch your left next to your right, snap your fingers. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 730, touch your right next to your left, and snap. We're gonna do that 2 more times, stepping our right foot forward into the diagonal, touch and snap, quarter turn to the side, touch and snap, step forward, touch and snap. Now, when we are here, you're going to do slightly more than a quarter because we're gonna end up back at 12 o'clock. So it's technically more like a 3/8 turn, but you wanna make sure that you're turning, step, touch, back to 12 o'clock, and then you're ready to start the dance. So let's try it with some counts, doing those diagonal step touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what you want to do is just gradually turn, but make sure that your step touches are into the diagonal. So you step touch, and then you're at your next wall, step touch, and you're at your next wall, step touch, and you're at your next wall, step touch, and you're at your next wall. So you want to make sure that you're coming all the way around back to 12 o'clock, but your forward touches are into the corners, and you allow those back to the center touches to travel you around the floor back to 12 o'clock. So we are gonna do 4 walls of the dance, and we're gonna do our intro. However, before we start doing that, the dance is going to end facing a side wall on your 3/4 triple. So if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock like I did in my demo videos, all I did was do a rock recover and a half triple back to 12 o'clock instead of doing my 3/4. So I just ended facing 12 o'clock. If you want to keep doing that 3/4 turn, end at the side wall. There's no ending listed on the step sheet, but that is what I did to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do the intro and then 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our 16 count intro of your X step touches. So it's diagonal touch, quarter touch, diagonal touch, quarter touch, diagonal touch, quarter touch, diagonal touch, quarter touch. Start the dance. It's step, lock, step, 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 lock and heel, ball, cross, rock, recover, side shuffle, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, 3/4 triple. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, lock, step, 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 lock, step, heel, ball, cross, rock, recover, shuffle, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, walk, walk, rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, 3/4 triple. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn. Moving on up, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.